I had an amazing learning journey with Educational Engineering Academy, EEA. From the very first lesson, I could tell that this was not just another online course. It was a complete learning experience. The content was well structured, easy to follow, and highly practical. I especially loved the coaching sessions, where the instructors took time to answer my questions and provide valuable insights. The live sessions made learning interactive and engaging, helping me apply the concepts in real time. The best part? The EEA community. It's great to be part of a platform where learning is not just about watching videos, but also about discussing, asking, and growing together. If you're looking for a high-quality, hands-on, and supportive learning environment, EEA is the perfect place.